Good morning, students. Today's topic is concurrent points in a triangle. What is concurrent point? If three or more lines are passing through a common point, then they are called concurrent lines, and that common point is called concurrent point. Before going into the topic, let us examine perpendicular bisector of a line segment. What is perpendicular bisector of a line segment? Just draw a line segment. Now construct perpendicular bisector to the line segment AB. Why do we call it perpendicular bisector? Because it is perpendicular and divides the line segment AB into two equal parts. So it is called perpendicular bisector. Now take any point on the perpendicular bisector, say C. Now join CA and CB. Now measure the distance between CA and CB. What is your observation? Yes, you are right. Both are equal. That means if C is a point on perpendicular bisector AB, then CA equals to CB. This is our observation. Now, dear students, let us construct a triangle ABC. How many sides it has? Yes, exactly right. It has three sides. Let us construct a perpendicular bisector to AB, similarly to BC, and at the same time to AC. What is your observation? You are right. All are concurrent. Let us name this concurrent point as D. Now draw a circle as center D and radius is dA. Let us draw the circle. What is your observation? It is a beautiful circle. It is passing through the vertex A and vertex B and vertex C. That means the circle passes through the vertices of the triangle. So the circle is called circumcircle and the concurrent point is called circumcenter. Now observe carefully. For acute triangle, the circumcenter is interior point of the interior point of the triangle. Suppose it is right triangle. What is your observation? If it is right triangle, then circumcenter is midpoint of the hypotenuse. Suppose it is obtuse triangle, then yes, exactly right. The circumcenter is exterior point of the triangle. Now, what did we learn now? Just recall the point. The concurrent point of perpendicular bisectors of a triangle is circumcenter. Circumcenter is equidistance from the vertices of the triangle. That means OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. Circumcenter is interior point of acute triangle. Circumcenter is midpoint of the hypotenuse for right triangle and circumcenter is exterior point for obtuse angled triangle. Now, what is angle bisector? Let us examine what is angle bisector. Take angle ABC. Now let us construct angle bisector to angle B. Okay, this is angle bisector. Why do we call angle bisector? It divides angle B into two equal parts. So we call it as angle bisector. Now take any point on the angle bisector. Name it as D. Now draw perpendicular line from D to on side AB. Similarly from D to on side BC. Just what is the intersecting point? Now intersecting point, name it as E and name it as F. Now measure the distance. Now measure the distance. DE. What is it? 3 centimeters. What is DF? It is also 3 centimeters. What is your observation? If you take any point on the angle bisector, then the point is equidistant from its sides. And one more thing. Let us construct a triangle ABC. How many angles it has? Yes, you are exactly right. It has 3 angles. Now construct angle bisector to angle A. Similarly, angle bisector to B, angle bisector to C. What is your observation? Yes, they are all concurrent. Let us name the concurrent point. Yes, it is D. Now draw a perpendicular line from D to on BC. Name the intersecting point as K. Name the intersecting point as K. Okay. Now construct a circle with center this G and radius GK. Wow, beautiful circle. It touches all the sides of the triangle. It is inside of the triangle. So we call this concurrent point as incenter and the circle as incircle. Observe the triangle carefully, incenter carefully. Whether it is a right triangle, acute triangle or obtuse triangle, whatever it may be, incenter is always, yes, inside. Now what is our observation? The concurrent point of angle bisector of a triangle is incenter. It is equidistant from the sides of the triangle. Incenter is interior point of any type of a triangle. Now let us discuss what is median. Take a triangle ABC. Now construct midpoint of BC, that is D. Join AD. Now we call AD as median. What is median? The line joining vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is called median. The line joining vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is called median. Now, how many medians we can draw? Yes, you are exactly right. We can draw 3 medians. Midpoint of AB is E and midpoint of AC is F. Now join BF is one median. Join CE, it is another median. Wow, what is your observation? All medians are, yes, concurrent. What do we call this concurrent point? It is called centroid and it is denoted with letter G. Now, for the median is divided by this G into 2 is to 1 ratio from the vertex side. Observe carefully. CE is a median. CE, G divides CE as a 2 is to 1 from the vertex side. Similarly, BF is divided as 2 is to 1 by Z from the vertex side. One more thing. Just observe centroid, whether it is acute triangle, right triangle and obtuse triangle. The centroid is always, yes, inside. What did we learn here? The line segment joining vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is called median. The concurrent point of medians is called centroid. And centroid G divides median 2 is to 1 ratio from the side of the vertex. Centroid is interior point for any type of triangle. Now altitude. What is altitude? The perpendicular line segment drawn from the vertex to the opposite side is called altitude. Sometimes it is also called height. Now, let us take a triangle ABC. Now, draw a perpendicular line from A to on BC. Similarly, from C to on AB. Similarly, from B to on AC. What is your observation? Yes, altitudes are concurrent. Did you observe? This concurrent point is called orthocenter. Observe carefully. For acute triangle, orthocenter is interior point. Did you observe? Yes, it is interior point. Now what about right triangle? For right triangle, it is right vertex. Suppose it is obtuse triangle, then it is exterior point. What is our observation? The concurrent point of altitudes is orthocenter. Orthocenter is interior point for acute triangle. Orthocenter is right vertex for right angle triangle. Orthocenter is exterior point for obtuse triangle. Now the last one, what is X center? What is X center? The concurrent point of angle bisector of one internal angle and two external angles obtained by extending the adjacent sides of vertex is called X center. Don't worry, let us observe carefully. Again, let us construct a triangle ABC. Here, take the angle A. It is interior angle. Now construct angle bisector to angle A. Now extend AB. Extend AB. Take a point on extension. Similarly, extend AC. Take a point on the extension. The external angle B. Similarly, there is external angle C. Observe here. This is external angle of B and external angle of C. Now, again construct a angle bisector to the external angle. Again construct angle bisector to the external angle C. What is your observation? Yes, they are concurrent. Let us name the concurrent point as F. This concurrent point F is called x center. Now draw a perpendicular line from the x center to on side BC. Now name the intersecting point as H. Now draw a circle whose center is F and the radius is FH. Wow, it is touching all the sides externally. Did you observe? It is touching here, it is touching here, and it is touching here. So we call this as X circle, and this center is called X center. Just observe carefully. It is always exterior point. So it is, because it is, yes, you are right, it is X center. What is our observation? The concurrent point of angle bisector of one internal angle and two external angles obtained by extending the adjacent sides of the vertex is X center. X center is always exterior point of any type of triangle. Every triangle has three X centers. Observe carefully. This is a triangle ABC. We can draw three X circles. So it has three X centers. Our next topic is postulates, axioms and theorems, and also Euclid's axioms. Euclid's axioms. If you have any doubts, you can call me. For our previous videos, you can click on the link given in the description box. Thank you for listening.